Tamang pa-cute lang. Hi everyone! A lot of you asking if how's my experience during my K1 fiancé interview. So I make this video to share with you the whole experience. So without further ado, I'm gonna share with you my experience, the tips, and what I wear. My interview date is December 3, 2024. So 8:30 a.m. yung napili ko, and guys, suggest na lang kung kayo'y taga malalayong lugar, like me, ang province ko is Pangasinan, better na before December 3, mag-check-in na lang kayo para hindi kayo gahol sa oras, nag-aaligaga during their interview. So, by the way guys, hindi pwedeng ipasok sa loob yung mga gadgets, cellphones, smartphones, water, everything. And then, guys, kung wala naman kayong kasama, pwede naman, may mga tao naman sa labas na pwede nyung pag-iwanan ng gamit ninyo that you will gonna pay 200 to 300 pesos. Pero ako, guys, kasama ko si brother ko, so iniwan ko sa kanya yung mga gamit ko. So, before kayong pumasok sa loob, kailangan ilabas ninyo yung inyong DS-160 and your passport. Sa passport pala, guys, may ididikit sila doon. Ganito siya. Ganyan siya, guys. Okay? May ididikit siya. I'm trying to remember all. By the way, guys, I have notes here because I'm very forgetful, and it's been more than a month na. So yon, and after that, guys, pupunta na kayo sa door 3, wherein yun na yung security checking. Security check. They will gonna scan all your belongings. So after the security check, pupunta kayo ng door 2. So they will ask you if what type of visa. Kasi guys, there's a lot of type of visa. Mayroong student visa, may tourist visa, eliminative visa. So, they will gonna ask you if you're K1. If K1, huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi marami naman silang staff na tutulungan kayo. If you want to ask something, they are approachable naman. So, pre-screening guys, doon sa harapan, may makikita kayong big TV screen na kung saan lahat ng mga requirements kailangan nyo nang i-prepare. So, you have to prepare your DS-160, you have to prepare your passport, your birth certificate, your SANOMAR, your NBI. Ako, NBI or police clearance, but me, I bring NBI only. So, the MRB slip fee and appointment confirmation and your 2x2 visa photo. Kasi by the way guys, may experience ako, no? Nung nasa door 2 na kami, doon sa console, may sa window 40, if I'm not mistaken, window 40, tinanong niya yung nag-a-apply na isang applicant kung nasaan yung MRB slip, ba't hindi ba sila nasasabihan? Ganon, nagalit na siya. So, you have to bring your MRB for the initial interview, guys. Huwag niyong kalimutan yun. So, and ang napansin ko, guys, most sa initial interview, most of them are Filipina. Guys, ang tip ko sa inyo is before the interview, just be confident, straight to the point, and say good morning first. Okay? First, he asked me, on my initial interview, he asked me, who is your petitioner? Give me the exact address, the full name, and the contact number of your petitioner. How did you met? When or where did you met? And have you been married? I said no. Do you have kids? I said no. Have you traveled US before? I said no. Have you traveled outside the Philippines? I said no. For what I wear, guys, I wear black, semi-formal, then slack. I wear sandal and light makeup. Okay, guys. Let's go back. This is it for the final interview that I'm gonna share with you. Di ba nakakakaba pag final interview na? But it's normal, guys, okay? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, just be confident, just be true to yourself. Yun. So, on my final interview, as I remember pala, during the initial interview, sinabi sa akin nung Filipino consul na kindly remove your face mask. So, doon sa final interview ko pa lang, before ako mapunta sa window, if I'm not mistaken, sa final interview ko, window 55, yung nag-interview sa akin is white American. And guys, by the way pala, lahat sa final interview, lahat sila is American foreign consul sila, okay? Sa final interview. So, ni-remove ko yung face mask ko. I remove my face mask. Then, I said, "Good morning," sabi niya, with a big smile on my face. So, tapos sabi sa akin nung white American, "Oh, you look so excited." "Yes, because this is the day that I've been waiting for." Ayan. "Oh, nice," sabi niyang gano'n. So, he asked me, "Is your fiance Filipino or American? How did you meet?" Tinanong na naman ulit, "How did you meet? When did you meet? When was the last time you see him personally?" Yan guys. Alam niyo ba guys, inuulit nilang tanungin yun kasi inaalam talaga nila kung totoo yung mga sinasabi ninyo during the interview. And guys, ang mga console is meron na silang hard copy ng mga sinubmit nyo before, the I-129 the I-129 form, the proof of your relationship, yung the pictures, and everything, and so on and so forth. So, yun guys, meron na sila na copy. Napansin ko nun kasi, inopen nila yon yung mga sinubmit namin before, aside doon sa mga binigay kong during the interview. And tinanong din what was the address of your fiancé, tinanong din sa final interview ko, and what is your plan together when you're with your husband when you get there. Yan guys, okay? So wag kayong kabahan guys. Relax lang. And after that, okay, he gave me pamphlet. Yung pamphlet na yun guys, ganito yon. Wait lang. So guys, this is the pamphlet that he gave it to me after my final interview. So I'm very, very happy guys on that day kasi yun, congratulations, your visa is approved. So after that guys, I asked him if how many months or weeks will I receive my visa. It takes 1 to 2 weeks guys. It's up to you if you were gonna choose pick up or delivery shipment. Sa akin guys, I choose online delivery shipment, and magbabayad kayo ng 430 pesos guys for the delivery. Much better na yun guys kung pipick upin nyo. Kasi kung pipick upin nyo siya guys, pamasahin nyo pa going to Manila, since I'm from Pangasinan, pamasahin nyo from Manila, it's more than 500 plus, let's say. Okay? So yun, yung oras nyo pa. So I choose delivery service na lang for the shipment. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy this video at may natutunan kayo. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have more questions, I would lovely share my experience, guys, during my K1 fiancé application. Thank you, guys.